We have witnessed the evolution of the technological world from Nokia to phones like Samsung and iPhone. No doubt, new brands have come into the scene and some have succeeded in creating a name for their own. While you can't deny that Xiaomi's success is primarily due to its affordable price, its brand plays a big part too, means it's playing an important role. Here are 10 facts about this breakthrough brand which is Xiaomi because you could well be using it to watch this video. So first is the name. Xiaomi literally means millet and rice, which is actually a reference to a Buddhist concept. It signifies that Xiaomi wants to start from the little things before aiming for the top. And the Me letter from Xiaomi World is also an acronym for Mission Impossible, not the movie, to represent the impossible obstacles that they have overcome. Second is the China's Apple. Considered as China's Apple, most of Xiaomi designs resemble apples in its elegance, simplicity, and minimalism. Yeah, it also evokes a similar kind of fever in China as Apple does in the US, and with Huawei facing an uphill battle now. You can bet that Xiaomi is climbing up the ladder faster now. And just like how Apple has their own Apple TV, the China brand Xiaomi also has their very own Xiaomi TV. So instead of searching for Apple TV Singapore on Google, many people might be searching for Xiaomi TV Singapore instead. Interesting. Third is the mascot. Xiaomi's mascot is a bunny called Mitu who wears an Ushanka. The Mi or the Xiaomi bunny's cap has a red star and it also wears a red scarf around its neck. Fourth is the physical store. Xiaomi doesn't own a physical store in any part of the world except the China and recently in Singapore. In fact, it's selling its product online everywhere. This helps them to reduce some additional costs to maintain that affordable price tag. That definitely kills two birds with one stone. Fifth is the advertisement. Xiaomi also does not use any traditional channels of advertising. They do not support endorsement of any kind either. Did you like see anyone uses the phone in any movie or TV drama? Which makes us wonder how did the product rise to fame so quickly? Sixth is the Guinness World Record. Xiaomi sold 15,000 Mi 3 smartphones in just 2 seconds in India. 2 seconds. Imagine the load the service would have to tahan. Furthermore, Xiaomi Mi 3 was considered as the world's fastest smartphone at that time of its release. In fact, in 2014, they actually managed to break the Guinness World Record by selling 2.1 million smartphones in just one day. Seventh is the Google connections. As many as three of the top 10 leadership positions in Xiaomi are occupied by ex-Googlers, is some sort of connections. All we know is that they are talented, and Xiaomi's success has to be credited to their ability to rise from the bottom. 8 is the built-in cameras. Xiaomi's camera have built-in technology to make you look more attractive. Taking selfies? No worries. Xiaomi got you covered. Now all your Instagram posts will be as flawless as ever. So next, the ninth point is international headquarters in Singapore. Xiaomi chose Singapore as its international office, believing in the quality of feedback from Singapore on its phones and services. Why so? Well, the Singapore is also known to be a sophisticated market, and this gives Xiaomi an edge in the technological industries. 10th and the last point, all in its logo. Want to know something interesting? Xiaomi's logo has a hidden word inside of it. The word can be found when you turn the logo of Xiaomi upside down. It will probably resemble a Chinese character, not every single stroke code. And it means heart in English.